Hi, I'm Sherri Harrah from HomeShow Garden Pros, and boy is it hot out here. Like, the heat is on, it feels like we're standing in an oven. But you can still garden straight through the summer here in Houston. There's a few little things that we can do to help you make it through the summer and make your plants a little happier. But you can get out and plant all these beautiful plants. The nurseries, the garden centers are loaded with beautiful flowering plants right now that will survive. We just got to give them a little extra love. So, a few things that I do to help my plants thrive through the summer heat is adding good amendments. So when I plant anything, I'm adding a little bit of these three elements every single time. Microlife Humates Plus, and if you can see in here, see the condensation? That is pulling the humidity out of the air and it's attracting it, so it'll put it back into the ground. So if you can increase your humic acid content, that's like free water right from the humidity, because Lord knows we have enough humidity here. So I always add the Humates Plus, the AZOMITE. Remineralizing is going to boost the immune response. If we have a boosted immune response, we're going to be more resilient in the stressful times, and the heat is stressful. So it's going to make our plants be able to pull through the summer with prettier, more vibrant flowers. They're going to be more disease resistant and more insect resistant. And then the last thing is the Microlife Super Seaweed. Everything in my yard gets it every Friday night. But it's as easy as mixing it in a watering can and watering all these things in to the soil at the time of planting. So these three things are going to really help. And then one last little tip, a nice little layer of black velvet mulch, or any kind of mulch. I just love the black velvet because it is nice and composted and will break down into beautiful compost over the year. But that's going to help retain your moisture, keep the weeds out of your garden. So you'll have a prettier, more successful summertime garden.